when shadows fade away, I can hear the world whisper, it's a brand new day. With the sky painted gold and the sun's warm embrace, every heart beats a promise, every smile finds its place. Oh, it's a happy day, let the laughter ring, with the petals of joy, like the birds that sing. Feel music in the air, let your spirit sway, in the dance of the moment, find your way. As the clouds drift apart, like dreams that soar high, I see hope in the colors that paint the vast sky. With every step I'm taking, I leave worries behind. In the garden of tomorrow, love is all I'll find. Oh, it's a happy day, let the laughter ring, with the petals of joy, like the birds that sing. Feel the music in the air, let your spirit sway, in the dance of the moment, find your way. If the rain should fall, like tears of yesterday, we'll watch the flowers bloom as they wash pain away. Hand in hand we'll wander, the fields of dreams grow wild, every moment a treasure, every heartbeat a child. Oh, it's a happy day, let the laughter ring, with the petals of joy, like the birds that sing. Feel the music in the air, let your spirit sway, in the dance of the moment, find your way. So breathe in the sunshine, let love light your way. In this vibrant tapestry we forever stay. On this happy day, every soul finds a song. In the heart of together, we always belong.
New beginnings, the clock strikes 12 and the stars ignite. We gather round with laughter, hearts so light. Confetti blooms like flowers in the night. A symphony of joy, everything feels right. With every cheer, a promise takes its flight. Dancing shadows waltz in the city's bright light. From whispered dreams to a future so wide, let's raise our glass and